Vlogmas! I have this happy day. I wanted to buy New Year, but I bought happy birthday, guys. And I have happy day. Today I invited to join me and explore all the Christmas places. Enjoy the festive atmosphere. Visit the stunning Ghibli Studio exhibition. Test butterbeer. Buy delicious IKEA food. Watch the new Wonka movie. And most importantly, purchase the new iPhone 15 Pro Max and see one of the most beautiful Apple Store. And of course, I will show you Christmas in Bangkok. Grab whatever you can find in the fridge, get comfortable, and I'll start immersing you in the atmosphere of the coziest vlog. Hey everyone, I'm Stana, and this video is gonna be about Christmas and the most exciting events in December. I want to start this vlog with one of the most interesting places. Okay guys, I want to begin by saying that I really don't like anime. I've tried to watch some anime series several times, but guys, it's not my thing. However, my husband loves anime so much, especially the works of Hayao Miyazaki. So when he found out this exhibition in Bangkok, I agreed to go with him, and believe me, even though I didn't change my attitude towards anime after the exhibition. I watched several more of his films, but still held on to my opinion. However, this exhibition was too beautiful. Right now, I don't want to speak, and I just want to immerse you in this atmosphere. This exhibition costs $18, which is the price of one adult ticket. And I hope I was able to convey the atmosphere of the exhibition to you and show it's worth every cent. The exhibition showcases 30 of Hayao Miyazaki's most famous films and immerse you 100% in this atmosphere. So guys, I teleported to this evening because there was an error with the second part of the day's video. The most important thing about Christmas is to drink mulled wine, visit a Christmas market, and of course, enjoy coffee with carrot cake in a beautiful place. We went to IKEA and I'm gonna eat. It's a new IKEA in downtown in Bangkok. I really like this IKEA restaurant and like their veggie bowls. My favorite food. It's plant balls and it's meatballs for my husband. It's so delicious. So I gotta get some candles for Christmas dinner. And I went to IKEA Swedish shop and wanna buy some food for Christmas dinner, and I wanna buy these plant balls and maybe some ginger cookies. So I really like this shop, and also I wanna buy this jam, this sauce. Okay guys, we watched Wonka and it's my recommendation because it's so crazy and so cozy movie. And we got a very big basket of popcorn and candy. It's officially the biggest basket of popcorn in my life. I want to prolong the magical atmosphere, so I found the most Christmassy place of all Christmassy places and went there to have butterbeer. I must say, I've tried butterbeer in many places and it wasn't tasty anywhere, and this time was no exception. Maybe it's just not my drink, or maybe I'm just unlucky. But this butterbeer was very sweet with pieces of butterbeer cookies inside, but it tastes like just eating spoonfuls of butter. On top there was not too sweet whipped cream. However, there was also cold chocolate, which was delicious, and carrot cake, which was also very tasty. Inside, the interior was beautifully decorated, and I felt the Christmas atmosphere at 100% and enjoyed it. The place is called Birthday Cafe, and I paid $12 for 2 drinks and a dessert. My first iPhone was the 4S, which I bought for my birthday when I was 17 back in 2012. Since then, I've had a lot of Apple devices, but the most significant thing for me was a little dream to buy iPhone from the Apple Store. I've been to many places and visited countries with Apple stores, but at those times and I didn't need to buy anything. However, this time everything was perfect. I had my birthday in October, waited for a month for the buzz to subside, and then went to one of the most beautiful Apple store in Bangkok, with a view of the entire city. I bought the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, strolled on the terrace, looked at the city and the river, went home and unpacked my iPhone. Now it's been a month and I can say that I really like it. The camera takes excellent photos. By the way, this vlog was shot on the new iPhone, so you can let me know in the comments how you find the quality, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video and Merry Christmas, guys!